Hi, my name is Kristen McDonald, and I am the Chief Experience Officer here at Gooten. I've been with Gooten for about 4 years now and have seen the company go through lots of changes. I'm really excited for you to get started with us, and I want to show you three of our top features that you'll probably be utilizing once you sign up and get into our dashboard. The first one that I'm going to be going through is our product hub. This is where you create and sync products. The second will be your order management page. And lastly, we'll get into some of the options with store integrations. To begin, I'll show you our product hub. This is probably where you're going to be spending a lot of time designing and creating new products. What you see here is what it'll look like once you've created lots of products, which I've done over time. But when you first get in here, you won't have any products shown, and you can get started by clicking this Add New Product, which will bring you to our product catalog. Now, this is where you'll find over 140 of our curated products from our global vendor network. Our trending category is a great place to start, and you'll find lots of options if you're not sure which products you'll want to integrate with us. But of course, if you have specific products that you want to sync that you're already selling, you can simply search or navigate to the various categories on the left side. Today, I'll show you creating a Sherpa blanket, which is one of my favorite products, just to give you a sense of what creating a product is like. So on this page, we have our various product options. There's two different sizes of Sherpa blankets, so we'll just select those. Now, here is where you'll be editing your product. The main thing you want to do here is uploading your design. We also have lots of tools to be able to help you create the best product possible for this particular model. So I'll just upload my design and center it on the blanket. And whatever designs you do, the really great thing about our product editor is that it'll make your edits go across all of the SKUs. So you only have to do your edits once, but if you want to go and double check the design on different sizes, you can just click over on the right side. And of course, you can utilize any of the other tools available and also view how your product will look on the final product, or how your artwork will look like on the final product. And then on this page, we have a really great feature which allows you to choose which mockups you want to have in your store. You can have all of these or select and delete whichever ones you don't want. You can also move them around. So if you want them in a specific order, for example, if you want this one as your main image, you can go ahead and do that on this page. And then this last step is where you'll be updating all of the details and category information for your product, depending on where you're going to publish it. Now, Gooten allows you to create a product and publish it to multiple stores all at once. So you don't have to go in and create the product individually for every single store or platform that you're selling on. So for example, this product, I'm going to publish it to my Shopify and Etsy store. And you can utilize all of these fields here so that you don't have to go into your store backend and update all of that information. It's all right here for you. And it really makes product creation a lot faster and easier. You can also edit your pricing really quickly. There's no going in and editing pricing for every single SKU. You can just either set your a standard margin that you would like to make for your product, or you can set a standard price, whichever works best for your business. And then if you do want to go and edit, individual SKU prices and things like that, you can do that. You can also edit a lot of the other details depending on how your company handles these types of things. And then you can also copy the information from Shopify into Etsy very easily. So you're only doing this once for all your store sales channels that you're selling on. So we're just going to go ahead and publish this, and you'll see it go to your store right away. All right, and now you have successfully created your first product with Gooten and published them to your stores. Next, we're going to go look at your orders page. Now I have only a few orders here, but once you connect your store and start syncing products, all of your orders will automatically flow in here, and you can see the status, whether or not they're in production, shipped, delivered, and all of the customer information is going to be flowing in here as well. So if you want to go in and see the details about your order, the images that you utilized, and any other information about that order in case you have customer service issues or an email from a customer wondering where the order is, you can simply come in here and get your tracking information and all of that. If you're a customer like many of our partners and offer personalization for your product, then you'll notice that we have a fun feature in our settings page where you can set up all of your orders for customization. So once you enable this, it'll allow all of your orders to come in and wait for you to upload a new design. So once you enable this, on your orders page, you'll see a status called needs customization, and you or someone on your team can go in and simply replace the design that you utilize as a placeholder and update it to whatever personalized information that your customer wants, and then simply send it into production. This makes having a personalization workflow super fast and easy, and will give your team a lot of time back in their day to do other things like creating new products and marketing. And lastly, we're going to look at the stores tab. This is your hub for adding new sales channels and connecting your stores. Today, we have a Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, and we'll soon have a BigCommerce integration for you to utilize depending on which platform you have your store hosted on. If you don't have your store hosted on any of those platforms, you could also utilize our API integration. And with that, we have some documentation on our website that is super easy to give to your engineering teams to connect to Gooten that way. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope that you'll be able to utilize all of these great features once you get started in Gooten. And of course, if there are any questions that you have, our customer service team will be super happy to help you. Thanks so much. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.